Hi guys, so in this video we'll look for the stocks Reliance, L&T and Bharti. So sorry, Reliance, L&T and Indus Bank. So here we can see we have a good gap up and then price have gone from 1300 to 1360 levels. So we'll see where is the resistance. In my earlier video I've said that crossing above 1300 levels can give you 1400 levels also, but we need to see whether it is going to come or not, or whether any change in open interest due to which it may not come. So we'll see where is the maximum highest open interest. So strange thing here we can see is 13 lakh 54,000 at 1300 levels. So we have people have run for the cover in these calls, but still good positions at 1300. So in the coming 2 days and next week we'll see whether Reliance will come to 1300 levels, or these people will run for the cover and Reliance will go to 1400 and above. Next resistance is at 1400. So as said, 1400 will be a good resistance. Immediate resistance coming at 1360 levels. So crossing above 1360, I think 1380 is a minor resistance, but 1400 is very difficult to crack right now based on this. Now we will see on the support side. Again, we have 14 lakh shares or 1300. So 1300 levels, we if it will come, it will be a good support zone. But we have a resistance at 1360 and 1380 also. So please understand guys that whenever these positions are being held up, there are chances that it can come down once, or it can come down at these levels, and then we need to observe the price action. So there is always a possibility that if people will not reduce their positions, then these positions can drag the stock also. Immediate support is 1340, 1320 is a minor support, 1400 is a very good support, again 1280 is a good support, 1260 is a good support along with 1240. So good supports at 1260, 1240, 1280, 1300. So we are in a range of 1300 to, I can say, 1360. If 1360 is crossed, then we can see a 1400 also. So calls or any trades to be taken based on the price action and based on the change in OI in this. Because here we can see 50% of addition in almost these two strikes, which confirms that people are not expecting it to go up. However, here almost 100% addition at 1340. So if this stock will go below 1340, we will see a panic at this strike 1340, which will lead the stock to go till 1300. Again 1300, we have 13 lakh added today itself. So 100%, almost 80-90% positions have been added. So people are highly confident in Reliance right now. They feel that Reliance will not come at 1300 levels. So whenever these things can happen, it's a sign of caution. We'll see for LT. So LT, when we analyze LT last week, it was trading at 940 and now it is trading at 855. So at 940 at that time also, we have good PCR on the bearish side, and then stock fell. So now we will see what's in store. So 855, so the nearest strike is 860. So 860 we have resistance at 9, resistance at 860, 50% positions added today. So that looks quite interesting and convincing. 880 levels again, 60% added today. 900, we have good positions added today. So multiple resistances over here. Support side I can see 800 is a good support, 840 is a good support, and 820 is a minor support. So breaking of it, now I can say that anything goes above 860, if there are no change in this position, the LT will not go up. And if this will crack 840, 800 levels will also come. So price action as trade as per the price action, but always analyze these positions also, what these people are doing. So we'll see for Indus Bank. So for Indus Bank, we have 500, a good resistance, immediate resistance at 420, but we have closed at around 400, 416. Oh, great. But 400 remains to be seen because here 4,19,000. So second highest resistance at 400 levels. Again, the same thing as Reliance, that people having positions at the 400 levels, that means stock can come to 400 levels, and this is volatile stock. So don't think that it will not come. As you are aware that Indus Bank is highly volatile these days, so it can come easily. If you have seen the price action for Indus Bank today, it is highly volatile with the Bank Nifty. On the support side, I can say we have a good support at, we have good support at 300 levels, 3 A60 levels, 3 400 levels. So guys, PCR is almost on the little bit on the bearish side, but we need to see how the price will behave. So here we can see 400 is a very good support. If breaking this will give 380, 360. So we'll see how it goes. I still feel that 400 is still possible in this stock, possibly by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If any day Bank Nifty will fall, and then we will see a support at 380 and 360. So guys, be cautious in this. This is a highly volatile and high beta counter, but levels are, we have a range of, I can say, range of 360 to 460, but even 420 needs to be crossed, which this bank is finding it difficult to cross. So we will see how it goes. I'll analyze tomorrow also for the same stocks. Thanks for the watching. Do subscribe and share your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Safe trading.